overwhelmed? Master the art of handling work pressure and finding inner peace. Hello friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Let's talk about something we all face in life, no matter our job, position, or industry: work pressure. You know, that overwhelming feeling when deadlines pile up, expectations soar, and you feel like you're constantly playing catch up? Yeah, I've been there too. It can get exhausting, frustrating, and sometimes even scary. But here's the good news: you can handle all the work pressure and still hold on to your inner peace. In this video, I will walk you through how I've learned to manage work stress over the years while maintaining my sanity. Trust me, this isn't some magic trick. It's a blend of simple strategies and mindset shifts that can work wonders if you're consistent. So watch this video till the end to get the maximum benefit. But before we start, I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get updates when I post an interesting video. Step 1. Accept that pressure is inevitable. First things first, let's get real. Work pressure is a part of life, and in some ways, it's even good for us. Pressure pushes us to grow, think outside the box, and achieve things we never thought possible. The key is to stop resisting pressure and start accepting it as a normal part of your work life. Once you do that, you'll notice a subtle but powerful shift. The pressure feels less intimidating. Think of it this way: when you are swimming against a strong current, it feels impossible to make progress. But if you swim with it or across it, things get a lot easier. It's the same with work pressure: accept it, don't fight it. Step 2. Prioritize like a pro. One of the biggest contributors to stress is feeling like you have too much to do in too little time. Sounds familiar? Well, here's the truth: not everything on your to-do list is equally important. The trick is to get crystal clear about what truly matters. I am a big fan of the Eisenhower matrix for this. It helps you categorize your tasks into 4 categories. Category 1: urgent and important, do these tasks first. Category 2: important but not urgent, plan and schedule these tasks for working on them later. Category 3: urgent but not important, delegate these tasks to your team members if possible. Category 4: neither urgent nor important, do not do these tasks or minimize them. By focusing on what truly matters, you'll automatically feel more in control. When you are in control, pressure feels a lot less overwhelming. Step 3. Break down big goals. Have you ever looked at a massive project and thought, how on earth am I going to do this? That's a recipe for stress right there. The solution? Break it down into smaller, bite-sized tasks. For example, let's say you're working on a big presentation. Instead of worrying about the whole thing, focus on one step at a time. Step 1. Research the topic. Step 2. Outline the structure. Step 3. Create slides for section 1. Step 4. Add visuals and polish. When you tackle one small task at a time, the project feels manageable. As you complete each step, you'll build momentum and confidence. Step 4. Learn to say no. This one's tough, I know. But if you say yes to every request, you'll stretch yourself too thin. That's a fast track to burnout. Saying no doesn't make you lazy or unhelpful. It makes you smart. It shows that you value your time and understand your limits. The next time someone asks you to take on something extra, pause and evaluate. Do you really have the capacity? Is this aligned with your priorities? If the answer is no, politely decline. You can say something like, I'd love to help, but I'm at full capacity right now. Can we revisit this later? Trust me, people will respect your honesty. I remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribed viewer get regular updates on new videos. Step 5. Build a system that works for you. We all have different ways of staying organized, so find what works best for you. Maybe it's a to-do list, a project management tool, or even sticky notes on your desk. Personally, I swear by time blocking. I plan my day in chunks, assigning specific times for tasks. For example, 9 am to 10 am, check and respond to emails. 10 am to 1 pm, deep work on urgent and important tasks. 1 pm to 2 pm, lunch break. This approach helps me stay focused and prevents me from feeling overwhelmed by everything I need to do. Step 6. Take breaks seriously. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but taking breaks makes you more productive. When you work non-stop, your brain gets tired, and your performance dips. But when you take short breaks, you recharge your energy and come back stronger. I follow the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, I take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. It keeps me sharp and prevents burnout. During your breaks, do something that relaxes you. Stretch, grab a coffee, or simply step outside for some fresh air. Whatever helps you reset. Step 7. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a game changer when it comes to managing stress. It helps you stay present and reduces the mental chatter that often fuels anxiety. You don't have to meditate for hours, even a few minutes can make a big difference. Try this. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Focus on the sensation of your breath going in and out. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Do this for 5 minutes, and you'll feel calmer and more centered. Step 8. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Let's bust a myth right now. Asking for help is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of strength and self-awareness. If you're struggling with a task or feeling overwhelmed, reach out to a colleague, manager, or mentor. Most people are happy to help, and it can save you a lot of stress. Remember, teamwork isn't just about sharing success, it's also about sharing challenges. I remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe viewer get regular updates on new videos. Step 9. Protect your downtime. One of the biggest mistakes we make is letting work spill into our personal time. If you are checking emails at dinner or working late into the night, you're not giving yourself the chance to recharge. Set clear boundaries between work and personal life. For example, don't check work emails after 7 pm. Take at least one day off each week to unplug completely. Use your downtime to do things that bring you joy. Spend time with loved ones, pursue a hobby, or simply relax. Your mind and body need that break. Step 10. Take care of your body. You can't handle work pressure if you're running on empty. Your physical health has a huge impact on your mental well-being, so make it a priority. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. Exercise daily. Even a 30-minute walk or jogging can boost your mood and energy. Eat balanced meals with plenty of fruits, veggies, and whole grains. When your body feels good, your mind is better equipped to handle stress. Step 11. Reframe your perspective. Sometimes, work pressure feels unbearable because of the way we think about it. Instead of seeing challenges as threats, try to see them as opportunities to learn and grow. For example, instead of thinking, "This deadline is impossible," try, "This is my chance to test my time management skills." Instead of saying, "I can't handle this workload," try, "I'll tackle one thing at a time and do my best." Your mindset has a huge impact on how you experience pressure. A positive, growth-oriented perspective makes all the difference. Step 12. Celebrate small wins. Finally, don't forget to celebrate your progress. Even small wins deserve recognition. Did you complete a challenging task? Treat yourself to your favorite snack. Did you make it through a tough week? Take yourself out for a nice meal. Celebrating your achievements, big or small, keeps you motivated and reminds you that you're capable of handling pressure. In the end, to summarize, handling work pressure without losing your peace isn't about completely eliminating stress. That's impossible. It's about managing it in a way that keeps you calm, focused, and in control. Remember, you're stronger than you think. With the right mindset and strategies, you can face any challenge that comes your way. Take it one step at a time, and don't forget to breathe. You've got this. Let me know in the comments how you handle work pressure. I'd love to hear your tips and experiences. Thank you for watching the full video. Did you find it interesting? If so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I regularly post videos of self-improvement, ideas, legends and everyday innovations that have changed the world.